Good morning, students of class 7. In previous video we had studied the third chapter of your English literature book, that is Injun Trouble by R.K. Narayan. We had studied few portion of that chapter, and now the remaining part we will study. Till page number 16 I have completed. Now we have to move to page number 17, second paragraph. Okay, so we had studied that that our author has won a road engine in the lottery, and now he has to take this road engine to his home. So anyhow he was managing to take this road engine to his house. So he had taken help with the priest of the temple, and his elephant, and also the driver Joseph. And anyhow the road engine was taken from the Gymkhana ground, and he thought to keep that in his friend's house. Okay, so meanwhile what had happened? The Joseph was turning the wheel, and Joseph was driving the this road engine, and anyhow he has gone it has gone anyhow it has been distracted, and it was going zigzag on the road, and after that it has crushed the compound of a person, and the compound wall जो था उसका जो था that has been to powder, and then he has and the elephant also crushed the another wall. He has broken the another wall, and anyhow this his confusions and his commotion started. Okay, he was so happy that he has won the lottery, but that day when he won the lottery, that day only his misfortune came with him. Okay, so now let us proceed with the second paragraph. When I was released from the lockup, so he was sent to the lockup, and I found the following consequences. तो जब वे अपने लॉकअप से बाहर आता है, then what does he found? He found several yards of compounds wall to be repaired by me. Wages of 50 men who ran away. They could not explain how they were entitled to the wages when they had not done their job. Joseph's free for steering the engine over the wall. Cost of medicine for treating the knee of the temple temple elephant, which had received some injuries while kicking down the wall. And here again the temple authorities would not listen when I pointed out that I didn't engage an elephant to break a wall. Last but not least, the demand to move the engine wall out its present station. So this was the arise of his struggles. Okay, now the author has thought that all the troubles are going to be ended as he has won the lottery ticket, but this was the beginning of the troubles. And when he was sent to the lockup, what he has to do, so many things he has to do. बहुत सारी चीज़ें थी जो उसे करना था. He has to कंपाउंड का जो वॉल टूट गया उसको रिपेयर करना था. देन 50 मैन जो उन्होंने हायर किया था रोड इंजन के लिए, ही हैज़ टू गिव द 50 मैन द वेजेस ऑल्सो. एंड जो एलिफेंट था, ही हैज़ इंजर्ड हिज लेग, उसका जो इंजरी का जो ट्रीटमेंट होगा उसका मनी ही हैज़ टू गिव. जोसेफ्स की जो ड्राइविंग हुई, स्टीयरिंग को चलाया, उसका भी उसको फीस देना पड़ता. एंड not only this much, he has to also leave the present situation. जहाँ पे अभी रोड इंजन था वहाँ से उसको आगे बढ़ना था. तो this all things came, these all troubles arises. Okay, sirs, I was a poor man. I really could not find any means of paying these bills. When I went home, my wife asked, "What is this I hear about you everywhere?" I took the opportunity to explain my difficulties. She lost her temper and cried that she would write to her father to come and take her away. So what happened when he went home? And he was so poor and he was not able to pay these all bills. And when he went home, his wife was too annoyed with him, and he said, "What are the things which I am listening from the people?" And now he was not having any explanations. He was not having explanation, and now her wife lost her temper, and she went and she said that I will write to her father and I'll go back to my maternal house. Okay. I was at my wits' end. I was seriously wondering why I should not run away to my village. I decided to encourage my wife to write to her father and arrange for her exit. Not a soul was going to know what my plans were. I was going to put off my creditors and disappear one fine night. So, what did the author plan? He planned to escape from these all troubles, and he said his wife to write to his father, and he will also move from there. And finally, he was planning to move from that place. I made preparation to leave the town in a couple of days, leaving the engine to its fate, with all its commitments. However, nature came to my rescue in an unexpected manner. You have heard of the earthquake of that year that destroyed whole town in North India. There was a reverberation of it in our town too. We were thrown out of our beds that night. Our doors and windows rattled. So what happened? So he was helpless. He was so he has become helpless. Nobody was helping him, and as he was poor, he was not having enough money to pay these all bills. So now at last, what happened? He decided to leave the place in a couple of days, but and leaving the road engine on its fate. और जो road engine था उसके destiny पे, उसके fate पे, उसके किस्मत पे वो छोड़ देता था. He thought that let it be here only, and I will leave the place because I am not able to pay the amount. So what happened? However, वही होता है कि जहाँ जब कहीं से भी कोई राह नहीं मिलती है तो भगवान जी साथ देते हैं, है ना. God always remain with us. So anyhow, this nature, okay, nature came to my rescue in unexpected manner. अब जो सोचा भी नहीं था वैसा काम हुआ, and the nature came to help him. How it was? Because that year the earthquake uh, uh, that year earthquake aroused, and it has destroyed the whole town of the North India. North India में जितने भी towns थे, earthquake आया और जितने भी towns थे, it destroyed. Okay. In the same way, their houses were also destroyed, and their beds और night में जब वो लोग सोए हुए थे, then their beds were thrown out and they both were बेड से नीचे चला गया था. एंड द डोर्स विंडोज रैटल्स, और डोर्स और विंडो जो था वो सब, जब भूकंप आती है, अर्थक्वेक आती है, तो बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती है. जब ज़्यादा स्केल पे आती है, then so many losses happen. In the same way, in the North India also so many loss happened, and he was present in North India at that time, so his house was situated there. So these both were drawn, they were thrown out of the bed, and at the night, and the windows and the doors were rattling. Rattled is a sound of rattling sound. Okay. Next morning, I went over to take a last look at my engine before leaving the town. I could hardly believe my eyes. The engine was not there. I raised a hue and cry. Such parties were round. The engine was found in a disused well nearby, with its backup. I prayed to heaven to save me from fresh complications. But the owner of the house, when he came round and saw what had happened, laughed heartily and beamed at me. You have done me a service. So what happened in the next morning when they woke up? Okay, when he woke up, he went to the see the hydro's engine for the last time. But when he had gone to see the road engine, जब वो वहाँ पे जाता है, तो he saw that his road engine was not present there. Okay, उसका road engine जो था वहाँ पे नहीं था. So he could not believe his eyes. So क्या हुआ था? His रोड इंजन जो था वो सर्च करने के लिए भेजा सभी को, गो एंड सर्च फॉर द रोड इंजन. सो व्हाट हैड हैपेंड, आई प्रे टू सो उसने सोचा कि भगवान से मनाया कि आई प्रे टू द गॉड दैट अब नया कन्फ्यूज़न, नया कमोशंस नहीं अराइज हो जाए. ओके. एंड व्हाट ही हैज़ सो, तो जो उसकी जो रोड इंजन थी वो कहाँ थी, एक अनयूज्ड वेल था, एक वेल था जो यूज़ नहीं होता था, उसमें वो चला गया था. ओके. एंड ही वॉज वेल में चला गया था, उसका जो इंजन था वो उसके अंदर था, एंड द बैक पोर्शन वॉज फ्रंट ऑन द अबव ऑफ द वेल. और वो बहुत परेशान था, बट मीनवाइल हिज द ऑनर ऑफ द हाउस केम एंड ही वॉज टू हैप्पी एंड बीइंग एट मी, ही मतलब बहुत तेज़ी से हार्टली खुशी से उसके खुशी की रोशनी, खुशी की जो लाइट होती है वो चेहरे पर दिख रही थी, और उसी खुशी से वो उसे देखता है. एंड यू हैव डन मी अ सर्विस, और बोलता कि यू हैव डन गुड सर्विस टू मी. ओके. इट वॉज द डर्टिएस्ट वाटर ऑन अर्थ in that well, and the municipality was sending notice to close it. Week after week, I was dreading the cost of closing, but your engine fits it like a cork. Just leave it there. So what had happened, children? This road engine was entered the well. वो जो कुआं था उसमें वो रोड इंजन चला जाता है. कुआं तो बड़ा होता है. दिस रोड इंजन वाज वेल. जो अर्थक्वेक आया तो सब चीज़ इधर से इधर हो गया. इन दैट उसी समय क्या होता है कि दिस इंजन वाज ड्रॉप्ड इन द वेल, एंड दिस जो उसके वो जो ऑनर था घर उसके वो वेल का, ही वॉज टू हैप्पी एंड ही सेड दैट कि मुझे म्यूनसिपैलिटी से बहुत सारे नोटिस आए थे टू क्लोज दिस वेल बिकॉज द वाटर ऑफ द वेल वॉज टू डर्टिएस्ट वाटर ऑफ द अर्थ. इसलिए मुझे रोज़ मतलब मुझे नोटिस आ रही थी कि वी हैव टू क्लोज दिस वेल, बट आई एम टू हैप्पी. इट हैज़ बीन योर रोड हैज़ डन माई वर्क एंड इट फिट्स लाइक अ कॉर्क जैसे किसी चीज़ में लग जाता है उसी तरह इसमें लगा. So what did the author said? But there are no buts. I will withdraw all your complaints and charges against you. You built that broken wall myself. I leave the things there. That's hardly enough. I mentioned a few other expenses that the engine had brought on me. He agreed to pay all that for all that. When I again passed, okay, what had happened? So now the owner of the well was ready to pay all the things, and he said no if and buts, don't do if and buts. So I will pay all the bills and I know all about जितने भी आपका कंप्लेन है, जितने भी चार्जेस अगेंस्ट है, वो सबको मैं बातें करूँगा, एंड आई विल पे फॉर ऑल द bills and all the amount whatever is on your head. And that's hardly enough. उसने बोला कि बस इतना ही मुझे मेरे लिए बहुत काफ़ी था, and he agreed to pay all that. Okay. And when I again passed that way some months later, I peeped over the wall. I found the mouth of the wall neatly cemented up. I heaved a sigh out of it. What happened when I passed that way some months? और कुछ दिन के बाद क्या होता है कि वो उसी वे से पास करता है, तो I peeped over the wall. वो जो वॉल था उसकी तरफ देखता है, कहीं मतलब फिर से वही तो हाल नहीं है, कहीं वो बना कि नहीं बना. He watched over that wall. So he found that the mouth of the wall neatly cemented up, and so it was being built up. Okay. And he have sign of relief. वो सांस चैन की सांस लेता है. Okay. Sign is सांस लेना. He has taken sign of a relief. So this was the chapter, children. You would have understood the chapter, and in next video I'll give you the question answer. We will discuss the answers. So read this chapter, write the hard words properly in your notebook, and study hard. Stay at home and be safe. Thank you, children.